Hey everyone, this is Swati and you're watching Beauty Things. Today I'm gonna review the blush nude palette from Maybelline. Before starting the video, if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. The blush nude palette consists of 12 shades that combines a mixture of rose gold hues and mauve tones and grayish brown shades, and it looked very similar to the Urban Decay Naked 3 palette. The finishes are matte, satin, and shimmery metallic shades. So let's swatch and talk together. It has a rose gold packaging and the back of the palette is mapped out on how you can use these shades together as a quads, trios and duos. It also comes with an easy to follow instruction on the back of the palette helping you achieve up to 13 custom look. That's great. Oh, I love this rosy color scheme of the palette. It reminds me of the spring and summer. And if you are, a shimmer lover, if you love shimmer, then you will enjoy this palette because there is only two near about matte shades, which is sheer pink and a gray shade. And rest of the shades are consist of shimmers and satins. So here a base is essential, so I will definitely suggest you using a primer with this palette to prolong wear time. I think the shades are beautiful and have some decent pigmentation for a drugstore eyeshadow palette. Yeah. While the pigmentation is okay, it could have been a bit better. It took a bit of work to build up some of the shades, but they do blend out nicely with a decent, coverage and with a little bit of fallout, and it provided a decent wear time. These shades last about 7 to 8 hours on me. I would say majority of the shades in this palette say are fairly sheer, so if you like a softer eye look, then this is also a great little palette to buy. However, you can also build up the color by adding extra layers, applying with a wet brush, using MAC Fix Plus, or using your finger instead of brush for better coverage and high color intensity. Some of the shadows on the bottom row did come off and look a bit similar on the eyes and in swatching. So overall, I do like this little palette. For a drugstore palette, these shades are definitely really good for the price 899 rupees. They are available online on Amazon. We'll be attaching link in the description box. You can go through it. Now let's have a closer look. And yes, don't forget to watch my next tutorial video in which I'm gonna try these shades. That's all from my side today. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you find it helpful, give it a big thumbs up. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.